Question number 3, 14.3 exercise. A life insurance agent found the following data for the distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if the policies are given only to the person having the age 18 years onward but less than 60 years. So see the students, the data is given, ages are given below 20, 25, 30, 35 so on, and number of policy holders are given. Now in this question it is not a normal question. Like normal question means it is no class intervals are given, and here if you see the number of policy holders, you must be observing the values are keep on increasing, means it is a cumulative frequency itself. So how to convert this given information into normal frequency distribution group data in which class intervals used to be there? So let me show you the procedure. Now you see the below values are given below 20. Below 20, how much below 20? Already in the question the condition is given, it cannot be less than 18. So here if you see below 20, 25, 30, 35, what gap is going on? So students, if you notice, the gap is 5. So it is the same gap what we get in class size. So it means the class width is 5. Right student? And below, in case of below, we always write the upper limit. So these values are upper limit. So how to convert these into class intervals? So we will write age in years, heading will remain same, but here we will write 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. So how we are writing? See, these are upper limits. In case of below or less than, you will always get the upper limit. So these are upper limits. Upper limits are this side. So gap is 5 is going on. So we will subtract 5 from 20. So 15 will come. 5 from 25, 20 will come. 5 from 30, 25 will come. Like this we will write all the classes. So after this you just have to continue it. 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. Right? Now below 20 there are 2 policy holders. So how many policy holders will be there between 15 to 20? Number of policy holders, heading will remain same, 2. So number of policy holders will be 2. Now 20 to 25. Now below 20 there are 25, there are 6. So let me explain you with the help of one example. So let me explain you. See here, below 20 we are being given there are 2 policy holders. Below 25 we are being given 6 policy holders. Now how many policy holders are there between 20 to 25? That will be, let me see here, I am showing you with the help of diagram. So this is 20, so this will be the mark of 20. This is total 6, here 2, so it means up to this it will be 2, total are 6. So this, how many will remain between 20 to 25? 6 minus 2, 4. So 4 will remain between 20 to 25. Once again, see, if we mark this line segment representing the limit of 20, so it shows below 20. Below 20 there are 2, and this shows 25 limit. Below 25 there are 6, right? So up to this it will remain 20. So it means this will remain 2. All are 6. So this will be what? 20 to 25 will be what? It will be 6 minus 2, 4. right? So here 4 will come. And let me see the next, below 30. So below 30 are how many? Below 30 are 24. So 24. So up to this it is 25, limit of 25. So 25 were how many? 25 were 6 policyholders, right? So what will be 25 to 30? Total are 24. These are 6. So this will be what left? It will be 24 minus 6. How much? It will be 18. So here 18 will come, right? So what we are doing, let me see what pattern is there. So below 20 there was no other class above that, so 2 will remain same. 25 in front of 25 above class is there, that is 20. So we will take the difference of these two frequencies. So first frequency will remain same because we don't have anything above that, so 2 will remain same. And here above 25, 20 is there, so 6 minus 2, 4. Then 30, what is the above value? 25. So we will take the gap of the frequencies. So 24 minus 6, 18. For 35, 45 minus 24 we will take here. So this becomes a pattern. So we will follow this pattern. I hope you understood how we have to take it. Now here, once again, for the first frequency between 15 to 20, below 20 there is nothing else. So 2 will remain same. So 2 will remain same. For class 20 to 25, what we will do, we will take the difference between the two extreme values, 25 and 20, frequency difference. So 25 frequency was 6, 20 frequency was 2. So what is the gap? 6 minus 2, 4. 25 to 30, we will take the gap of 30 and 25 frequency. 24 minus 6, 18. For 30 to 35, we will take the gap of frequencies of 35 and 30. 35 frequency is 45, 30 frequency is 24. So 45 minus 24 we will do 21. Same we will do next. Between 30 to 35, we will subtract the frequency of 35 from frequency of 40. So we will take the difference of this, that will come 33, right? And same we will do next. It will be 11. Then 92 minus 89, that is 3. Then 98 minus 92, 6. And 100 minus 98, 2. Now students, if you will add this frequencies, your total must come 100. So let me see. 2 plus 6, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 and 18, 24, 24 and 21. 45, 45 and 33, 78, 78 and 11, 89, 89 and 3, 92, 98, 100. Its total is 100, means we have calculated correctly, right? So this is how we convert the below or less than. Here below or less than word can also be written, meaning is same. So how to convert this into normal data? This is what you have seen in this up to this. Now after this, after making it normal data, the question is remain same. You can easily find the median, as median is being asked. So we need the cumulative frequency. So students, this is already calculated. This column is cumulative frequency only. So you can take it as cumulative frequency. And now we have n is 100. So n over 2 will be 100 over 2, 50. So as it is a normal question, so median will be decided on the basis of n by 2. So we will see the value in cumulative frequency column, which is greater than and nearest to 50. So if you see 45 is smaller than 50, so we have to take greater than and nearest. So after 50, 78 is the nearest and greater. So class corresponding to 78 is 35 to 40. So median class is 35 to 40. One is 35. H is class size, that is 5. Cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 45. Frequency is 33, that is of median class. So we will write the formula of median, that is L1 plus n over 2 minus Cf over f into h. So we will substitute the values of the variables. L1 is, lower limit is 35, n by 2 50, cumulative frequency of preceding class is 45, frequency of the median class is 33, class size 5, and if we calculate it, we will get it 35.76. And students, as the information is about age in years, so this median units must be years. This is very important. So this is your question number 3.